Hello there, it's Abhinav Nirola. I'm back here with my new video. Guys, after yesterday's run scoring fest's conduction, the whole IPL season seems to have lit up big time with a new bit of energy. Seeking for some bit of that energy are the two sides that are currently placed at the bottom of the table and also are scheduled to face each other, namely Rajasthan Royals and Sunrisers Hyderabad. Let's preview. Do like, share and comment down below. Subscribe to my channel as well. On 2nd of May 2021, the Ferozshah Kotla Stadium, Delhi is going to host this encounter. During the course of this tournament, the Kotla has been hosting a number of high-scoring encounters. Another 190 plus encounter is high up on the cards. Do expect another flat surface to be installed for this matchup. A bit of grass at the Kotla pitch means a belter. Well, do expect a bit of both grass and moisture to be available to make things helpful for the pacers up front before turning into a batting wicket. A bowler with proper T20 bowling skill sets might only survive out there, gear up batsmen for some range hitting. No team has defended any score out there so far in this season, be it a total of around 170 or around 220. Plus, it's a small venue, so any team would want to field first after winning the toss, irrespective of the fact that it's a day match and the pitch might get drier and tacky in the second innings. Statistical analysis over tactical analysis expected to be applied. Rajasthan Royals. Josh Butler wicketkeeper, Yashasvi Jaiswal, Sanju Samson captain, Shivam Dube, David Miller, Rahul Tewatia, Riyan Parag, Chris Morris, Jaydev Unadkat, Mustafizur Rahman and Chetan Sakaria. RR have very limited resources to play with currently and that's hurting them. They don't have enough proven match winners to see them through the tournament. Their investments are talented but haven't been temperamentally built enough to win them crucial matches. To add up, the records of their handful match winners aren't that good against SRH. They actually haven't even got their combination and order right in my view. They need to somehow find a way to make place for at least one out-and-out spinner as they haven't been picking wickets in those all-important middle overs so far. Furthermore, they also need to recheck the batting order of their number 4, 5, 6 and 7. Things look unmanaged at the moment for them, but they can leave their mark if they intend to do so as a unit. Unity means strength. RR need to display their strength if they are to leave a mark. Sunrisers Hyderabad. Jason Roy, Johnny Bairstow wicketkeeper, Manish Pandey, Kane Williamson captain, Kedar Jadhav, Vijay Shankar, Jagdisha Suchit, Rashid Khan, Khalil Ahmed, Sandeep Sharma and Siddharth Kaul. It's actually disgraceful to see SRH losing hopes from their elite scorer Warner just due to some poor performances unless Warner himself opted to back out. At the same time, it's quite heartening to see the legendary English opening duo meeting up. You never know if Kane opts to open and sends Bairstow at 4. Except that Roy Warner thing, don't expect SRH to tinker around much as they too don't have much to tinker around. Courtesy major injury concerns. Let's see if new brain brings in new energy into the side. Hyderabad's players have finally started showing their form since last couple of matches, so they might pull off a win here over a relatively inexperienced RR side. Take care.